Are there any pitfalls to avoid when installing Windows on a newly built PC?
Hi, I'm Paul. This is Diane. We are the PC Zombies, and yes, there are several pitfalls that you should consider while installing Windows on a new PC. Ignoring these decisions and tasks can degrade performance, expose your PC to bloatware, and ruin that first-time PC experience.
We'll focus on these pitfalls when we're installing Windows on our new high-end build. Why is the installer forcing us to connect to the internet?
Right, because we said we wanted to create an offline account in the last video. As a person who edits a lot of videos, there's just too much content on my PC to have a cloud account. I don't want my data being synced to the cloud in the background, nor do we want all the background tasks doing that syncing or pay for the cloud storage. Yet the installer, modern Windows, completely blocks you from proceeding without the internet. For this video, we installed Windows twice. The first time we installed it, we installed an online account so that we could see what happens in the default Windows mode of installation. The second time, we wiped the SSDs, installed it again as an offline account, and guess what we found? We found there were a whole lot more screens when you install an online account, and those screens include a lot of adware and offers for you at the end. When you install an offline account, you go straight to the install, you get it done, and there's no reason to do this in the first place. You could install an offline account on your PC and then later on turn on the internet, turn it into an online account, and you will avoid all those extra screens, all that bloatware, all that adware. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's start with the screens it shows you. You see these screens, Di?
Yes.
These come at the end of the Windows installer if you install a cloud account. Here's an ad for Microsoft 365, more cloud storage, and another ad for Game Pass Premium. None of these ads will be offered if you start with an online account. And another thing we found when we did the double install is that when you install an online account, some software will be pre-installed from the Microsoft Store on the online account. And when you do an offline account, very little extra bloatware is installed on your PC. For example, solitaire games, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Outlook, and photos pre-installed on your machine. And I don't know about you, but I don't want my first task on a new PC to be uninstalling stuff I never wanted on it in the first place.
I like to make the choice,
Yes.
not them.
I agree. But there is a hidden hack to bypass this network standoff. Even if you want a cloud-based account, this hack is helpful because sometimes your computer doesn't have the drivers yet to work with Wi-Fi or Ethernet. In this case, you can use the same hack, install on an offline account, and convert back to an online account later. To create an offline account, the first thing you got to remember is to always have that Ethernet unplugged. And when you get to the Let's Connect to a Network screen and it's looking for a network connection, you see the next button, Di?
Yeah.
Right next to it to the left, Windows used to have a link that said, I don't have internet. But that link is hidden now and you don't see it. To get that link back, type Shift F10 and you bring up a command prompt. Click on the prompt window to give it the focus. And then type OOBE/BYPASSNRO and press enter. And the PC will reboot and start the install over. Only this time when you get to this page, look here. You see the link, Di?
I don't have internet.
So click on it and complete the install. It won't ask for the internet anymore. It's giving you an offline account.
I like that. But what happens when we finally plug into the internet?
Well, Windows is going to try to aggressively push you into a cloud-based account. The second you connect, Microsoft sets a trap. If you sign into the Microsoft Store or an Xbox app and click Next at their prompt, Windows will secretly convert your offline account into an online account.
Is there a way to dodge that, or are we stuck?
You just have to spot the tiny hidden text link that says Microsoft Apps Only. And if you do accidentally get trapped, you can easily go back to your account settings and switch back to a local account in about 30 seconds.
Should we turn on the internet to get new drivers?
No, that would destroy all the work we've done to keep this PC pristine, bug-free, and fast. In the next video, we're going to talk about the traps that can ruin your PC the first time you turn on the internet.
And if you like today's video, please see our previous video where we show you the steps where we prepare to install Windows 11.
Okay, so please subscribe, and next week we hope to get this PC online.
I can't wait.